Hi. So, well, that's really pretty. What?
What are you breathing so hard for?
I don't know, just like, I was just taken. Whoa!
Now stand up.
That was too funny. I can't, I'm dead. I died of hilarity. Oh crap, my hip. Cramp in my hip. I need to stay here for a moment. That was hilarious. That will go down in the family history. Don't film me getting up. That's so mean. Ugh. Ha! I wasn't even doing anything. I was just like, that's so funny. Okay, you done?